I got a new project for you that I want you to see. It's very different than our usual. It's very rare that we get a call like this, but for this homeowner, we made it work. Let me tell you the backstory about this bridge that we just built, plus this flagstone walkway and how it all came about. This homeowner had this blue bridge here. This was at the front of the home where the new bridge exists at the moment. And we wanted to replace that to put something new there. And the homeowner was looking for a contractor for roughly 2 years. And her and the husband had a really difficult time finding someone that could pull this project off. And luckily enough, they called us and we were more than willing to help. I ended up finding a custom bridge manufacturer in Arkansas who could do the project for me. And here we are. So I'm gonna show you guys what we did. Let's chat about the bridge. So this bridge looks so nice. Firstly, I did not expect for it to come pre-stained. This looks amazing. The homeowner requested that it looked very similar to her old bridge, which it does, with different posts and different connections between the posts, but it looks really great. She also requested some custom acorn-shaped tops to kind of match the aesthetic of the home, and we were able to make that happen too. This came from a manufacturer in Arkansas, from 800 miles away. He and I had several conversations about the design, the aesthetics, and what the homeowner wanted it to look like, and we did our best to create something that duplicated what she had in a newer fashion, and this looks amazing. I love the way that the boards look. I love the way that it's the stain actually makes the home pop. She's got a door, a mudroom door that matches really well, and it just looks really, really good. So I'm gonna show you guys just some more detailed shots up close. So our goal here was to create a nice country style farm that fit with her aesthetic, that was very warm and friendly. This path isn't used too often, so here we put in some flagstone, submerged in the ground with some seed around it. That's what you see there for the grass to grow back. This looks awesome and is a natural walking path that she says the male people deliver on a lot. Just before the bridge, we have our limestone step here that we use to step onto the bridge. On the sides of it, as you guys see, we have plenty of rock here that's actually securing it, but also working aesthetically, and the same on the opposite side here. This makes it look really nice. On this far side here, on the inside, we did some new egg rock there with some more 4 to 8 inch boulders to keep everything tight and neat, and that looks really nice. Nice and close for you guys. You see the poly sand there to keep everything stabilized, but yeah, this looks great. And it's very stable. I'll walk across it with my boots so that you guys can see. And there you have it. Looks really nice, guys. I love this thing. It's not every day that we do an install with this bridge, so this looks pretty unique. This is an amazing install. I had a blast installing it. It was great. This project took 2 to 3 days for us to install, from the flagstone to the steps to the actual bridge. And now her home has a new focal point that a lot of the neighbors have given her compliments on already, and most importantly, that she loves herself. So in loving memory of her husband, this project looks amazing. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.